Hey guys, my name's Laurie with Cavity Sliders. I'm here with my man Julian from Awesome Trim Work.
Yeah.
Where are we today, Julian?
We're up in Park City at a house that we just knocked out for Tall Pines Construction. We did a lot of cavity sliders in this one, so it's really cool to check them all out.
Tall pines and tall pocket doors. What have we got here, mate?
This one's about a 320-pound door. It's 4'6", so it's just massive, super heavy. So obviously you need a soft closer that's going to handle the weight of the door. Yeah.
And that's one of the things that we ran into. So with a dual action mechanism, until now we've only had 176 pound capacity. But with this new unit, it takes us up to 160 kilograms or 350 pounds. So, you know, these super high-end houses, you know, in the mountain towns that you're working on, that really becomes, you know, a nice feature. We've been able to really reduce the width of the mechanism while still having the soft open and soft close function. So here is the existing, and we've been able to do 32 inches soft open and soft close with that, up to 176 pounds. So you can see with this unit, we can achieve that 24-inch door width whilst going up to 200 for the standard and 350 pounds for the HD. So we're really excited about that. Obviously houses like this, you've got, you know, wide, tall doors. So that's going to come more into play with the, you know, standard, you know, custom homes as well as the production market.
These ones are nice because you can do a minimum door of what, 24 inches, right?
24 inches.
So, and previous it was a 32-inch door, so.
We see a lot of business where people would have liked to have gone soft open, soft close, that haven't previously been able to do that. So we're excited to finally be there. That's the SofStop HD.